We'll pick that up for Bud comes.
The McDonald's, you guys want coffee and something? You also get a facial.
What do you have in there, Grandma?
Celery, olives,
The stuffing box.
the stuffing mix box, butter, and I boil the neck and the gizzard. Put it to a boil, and then
You add it to the top.
the broth you add it to the stuffing mix, and you're done. See, there it is.
We didn't do a lot of celery or olives this year.
Because last time he said, oh, it's too much olives, too much celery. But I think now it's just right. Some people add carrots. Some people add raisins. You could add whatever you like in your stuffing.
Raisins?
Yeah,
Oh, it's a sweet base.
yeah. Auntie Linda, she puts raisins.
What your mom used to do?
My mom, she's basic too because of the kids. She wouldn't tell them what she put in it because then they wouldn't eat it.